So this project is about investigating different types of wave energy converter configurations, specifically looking at if you combine two different types of wave energy converters into one farm. And we want to see if combining these two different modes of motion can lead to better power extraction over a bunch of different sea states. And I think kind of the idea of mixing these two different types of wave energy converters in an array is novel and not something that we've really seen before.
Well, this project is unique in a number of ways. You cannot do this in a flume, you cannot do this in a space that is relatively limited. Fundamentally, the type of arrays and the solution that the University of Cornell is providing, that is a very unique approach.
We wouldn't have been able to do these experiments without TEAMER. We realized how much it costs to use a tank just per day, and we were like, we don't have these resources. And then somebody brought up TEAMER, and I was like, what is that? They were like, no, it's this great organization. I had reached out to Pedro and worked with him to come up with this experimental plan and figure out what things would work. Being able to have that collaboration as well as having funding was really meaningful to get this project to where it is today.
The best part of working with TEAMER is to have people from different places, even international collaborators and developers. And that feedback is the best part, is to learn from different approaches and to learn different ways of working. It's not always the same type of project, it's not always the same people, from early stage developers to people who are ready to go to the ocean.
TEAMER is having a huge impact on the industry by enabling researchers and developers access to facilities and knowledge to progress through their technology readiness levels.
Wave energy is still kind of a foggy concept to a lot of people who don't work in this space because we see so many numerical simulations and that's really easy to distance yourself from. But when you can actually see it, I think it can get people a lot more excited.
It wouldn't have happened without TEAMER. We don't have. Now we have a cohesive network of people that are aiming for the same type of work. And that is only because of TEAMER.